So hello guys, today is Friday. I am excited. I have my event for this weekend. We're gonna be working on gnomes. I've never done one, but I invited some girls to craft with me, and hopefully we'll all have fun. I'm out of breath because I've been doing my bed, I've been cleaning, just doing my normal routine cleaning of the day. Put some tables here, and then we can also watch movies. But I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Maybe downstairs is the best way, because that way the snacks are downstairs, the drinks are downstairs, bathroom is downstairs. Everything they need will be downstairs. So hello, I'm back. I'm down here in my living room. So I'm thinking the living room, I have enough space. So I was thinking maybe I can put the tables here, and then we have a TV right here. So I was thinking maybe the girls can work here. We could put a couple of tables here and work. And see how I have the island here. Sorry, I'm gonna eat my muffin with some tea. Anyway, I can put the food here. I also have another dining table here for the girls to work in. Because yeah, there's not enough space inside the house. Like if I wanted to have a big party in a hall and all that. Because as you see, this room is occupied by my pool table. So I have no space to put the girls here. Like there's no way to have them here. But I will show you the outside, which I was planning to have the girls maybe sit out here. Like right now it's probably 30 something degrees. I don't know. It's kind of chilly outside. Okay, so this is my backyard. And as you see, I have a lot of space. It's already shaded, so it's not the sun. The problem is just that it's a little chilly. We also have a TV here. So if the girls want to watch TV, they can do that. So yeah, I have enough space. I have a lot of space for the girls to work here. I do have plugs right there. So I'm over here eating my, what is it called? Poppy seed muffin. And then I'm having some tea with my favorite cup. My mother-in-law bought me this cup. I love Frida. So yeah, here I am enjoying my Lipton tea, because sometimes I drink coffee, sometimes I drink tea. And today I decided to drink warm tea, and then I'm gonna go take a shower, get ready. So this is the frame that I was telling you guys about that I made. It's not the best, but I like it. I saw it on, I believe, Pinterest. All right, so I got ready to go. Sorry, I'm gonna, I have my doggies in the garage because it was raining the other day, and now it's cold. And here they are. Say hi. This is my German Shepherd girl. This is my little boy over here. Hi guys, so tonight we will be going to the Mission Inn in the city of Riverside. So I'm excited. I might take videos there of the lights. It's a beautiful festival ceremony, lighting ceremony. Actually starts like in November, a little bit before Thanksgiving, I believe. Anyway, I got ready with my clothes because I want to be warm. We're going to be walking outside, walk around and see the lights and just enjoy the evening. So my daughter, my husband, her friend, we're going to go along and see how it goes. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you videos. Okay guys, so here it is, the famous Mission Inn. So apparently it's a big line to go into the Mission Inn to see the light. I've already seen it, so there's no point in me making a big line. Say hi, Jose. Hey. So yeah, we're here, there's a lot of people, and you just walk around and there's music and everything.
Y'all want to see it? Y'all want to see it? Everybody say yeah. Come on, say oh yeah. Say do it, sexy brown guy.
So it's a lot of people, and as you see, I'm wearing my mask because I am not gonna catch COVID this year. I already said that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the place that I was telling you about with the muffins. There's a big line, the cupcakes actually, there's a big line. So let's see if I can get one. So this is the cupcake place I was telling you. what I mean? Yeah, so the cupcakes are delicious here. A little bit pricey, but they're okay. So we're just waiting in line. And while we're waiting, so it's not that cold, huh, Jose, today?
No, not too bad.
I thought it was going to be cold, but it's not. So yeah, we're protected. There's a lot of people. And rather be safe than sorry. Check them out if you have some in your area. They're okay. They have different ones. When I get up to the list, I will show you guys of the different kinds they have. They are pretty good. Oh my gosh, they have so many different varieties. Anyway, my daughter went with her friend to the store across the way while we're in line. So these are the different kinds that they have, guys. Guys, look at inside, how pretty. Look at this tree. Oh my god, look how pretty. First they have them here. Okay guys, so as you see, you get it in a little bag. And they put it there. So yeah, as I was saying, they put it in a little bag for you. It's so cute, and a little box. I ordered the coconut, Caribbean coconut. So I think I tried that before, but I don't know. Let's see how it tastes. Now time to look for my daughter. So guys, today it's actually been 27 years since we met.
Nice.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy another anniversary.
I know. We have so many anniversaries. Okay, so I think it's gonna be an end now, coming to an end, because we've seen almost everything. I know there's a performance going on, and so I don't know, there's still a lot of people, as you see, behind me and around me. We're just waiting to see what we're gonna do. All right, guys, so we just got home. I'm gonna put my PJs because I'm already tired. I didn't get my coffee. We were over there and there was big lines for coffee and stuff. So right now I'm gonna go make me some coffee and probably eat my cupcake and watch a movie before I head out to bed. All right, well, I'll be seeing you guys later. Hi guys, just recording real quick. I don't like the stand, it's very flimsy. My phone is gonna probably fall any minute. Anyway, I was supposed to work today, but I ended up not. And good thing I didn't. I have an extremely bad headache. I woke up with one. I'm not a person to drink pills, so I've been trying to wait it out. And it's already 4:30 in the afternoon, and no, my headache has not gone away. It's moving everywhere. It started off in everywhere. Then it went to one side, now to another. Now my eyes hurt. So I don't know if it's tension or what, but yeah, I didn't sleep all night. Not because of the pain, but just I didn't sleep. So maybe that's why, lack of sleep. So right now, like I said, I usually work on Saturdays doing photo booth. Or I'm glad that I didn't, because this headache would not let me work. So right now I went to the store. And usually when I don't work, me and my daughter go out to eat, or we'll hang out in the evening. And today I'm not feeling it, so I just went, and we're gonna have chicken Alfredo. I bought some Caesar salad, and I'm gonna make garlic bread, and that's what we're having for dinner, and staying at home and call it a day. I might craft, so let's see if I come up with something. You know, I always do that. If I do come up with something, I post it on my videos. So let's see if I come up with anything. Well, anyway, just wanted to let you know and see how you guys are doing on this lovely Saturday. All right, talk to you guys later. Hello guys, today is the day. Today's Sunday, and I'm gonna have my gnome party. However, I'm gonna go to a class real quick right now that it wasn't planned, but it just happens to fall on the same day that I'm doing this event. So I'm on my way to do that class. As soon as I'm done doing that, I will come home and get ready to attend my guest. But yeah, Jose will be going with me right now. He's still inside. He's almost coming out. But yeah, I decided let me do a video right now. So I'm over here cutting. We're gonna have I brought some Doritos, cheese with crackers and salami. I also brought some juices. That's what I'm providing for the guests. Everybody's supposed to bring a little snack, so that's what I'm bringing. I was gonna have it in the living room, but it's getting kind of hot, so I don't know. I'll probably there's not shade here, but that's okay. But there's shade here, and it looks like a beautiful, wonderful day. So I'm still deciding. Once the girls get here, we'll decide if we're gonna have it outside or inside. So this is my little dog Luna right here. Hi, mamas. And this is my little boy PJ. Okay, so everybody's outside, and everyone that came today will be getting a gift from me. A thank you gift, a little early Christmas gift. So I'm gonna be giving that out in a few minutes. Hi guys, so here we came. We're at a sister-in-law's house after our party. We came over here to do some barbecue. This is where I'm gonna end the video. It was a nice weekend. We had a lot of things to do. It was fun. Watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Let your friends know. Thank you for watching. Yesterday I forgot to post my gnome, what I finished, the final product, and I wanted to show you guys up close. I decided, let me carry her, let me see with one hand. So first of all, I made her with rice. So you see this is the bottom. I wanted to do a boy and girl, but since I was helping my mom make hers, I didn't have time to do the boy and girl. So I said, let me just do the girl. And I did the little skirt all around. I did her little hat. I put the pearls right there. And let me put her down. I think she's cute. Then I did this for the hat. So basically what I did with the hat is I cut like a kind of like a triangle, and I glued it together. And then I rolled this. I added these pearls. I cut this and put it in the end, glued it all together to the sides and stuff. This nose, it's like a half nose, like a half wooden ball. I glued it on there. Yeah, and I covered it with a regular pink sock. And then I covered this whole thing with a black cloth that I had. And then I made the little skirt. And as I went, I was gluing the corners. This is from a mop that I bought at the Dollar Tree. And of course, these are my special handmade bows that I make. So that's what I did. Oh, and to close it, I did that. So yeah, this is what my little gnome looks like. So hope you guys like it.